This lesson has been developed in the framework of SCILED project. Module 2, Footwear Sustainability. Unit 3, Materials and Technologies for Sustainable Footwear Manufacturing.
Lesson 3.4. Innovative Footwear Materials for Sustainability. Sustainability.
Sustainability focuses on meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their needs. The concept of sustainability is composed of three pillars: economic, environmental, and social, also known informally as profits, planet, and people.
United Nations Sustainable Development Goals.
The United Nations has established sustainable development goals related to the three pillars of sustainability, although interconnected with each other. The eradication of poverty, economic growth based on decent work, the reduction of inequalities between countries, and the generation of industry, innovation and infrastructure, are related to economic sustainability. The end of hunger, the health and well-being of human beings, quality education, gender equality, and peace, social justice, and strong institutions are attributes of social responsibility. Access to clean and sanitary water, clean and affordable energy, sustainable cities and communities, action against climate change, and the preservation of both terrestrial and underwater life are included within environmental sustainability.
Although these objectives are desirable, the actions to achieve them can have unexpected consequences. For example, the adoption of autonomous and intelligent production systems in order to improve the health, safety, satisfaction and motivation of workers can also cause undesired effects, such as a reduction in available employment, exclusion of workers with less training, or an increase in electronic waste. It seems clear that not all of these objectives are equally applicable to the footwear industry. Thus, sustainable cities and communities in the environmental dimension, or peace, justice and strong institutions and social dimension seem little related to this industry. Sustainability influence of innovative technologies of footwear industries.
The graph shows the influence of new technologies in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals for the footwear industry. In this graph, the higher the value, the greater the influence of that technology. It is observed that the use of simulations is the technology with the greatest influence from the economic point of view, since it allows to shorten the time between the conception of an idea and the actual manufacture of the model derived from it. The blockchain is also important in mobile technology. From an environmental point of view, the technologies that could contribute the most to the sustainability of the footwear industry are 3D printing, and again simulations. Finally, from the point of view of social sustainability, drone and GPS technology would allow precision agriculture of fiber crops used in manufacturing.
Strategic factors of sustainability are:
the strategies to achieve sustainability objectives are various, and cover the entire production process, from minimizing energy and materials to optimizing the whole production cycle. Within these strategies, the selection of eco-friendly materials plays an important role, and there are abundant examples of the use of different materials in all parts of footwear.
Sustainable footwear examples.
This slide shows examples of biocompatible, organic tissues, or biodegradable materials used on different components of the footwear. We understand biodegradation as the breakdown of organic matter by microorganisms, which should not be confused with the durability of the material in the absence of microorganisms. Organic cotton, Utah, linen, Pinatex, wool, cork or coba plant fiber are examples of biodegradable materials. These materials used to be breathable, light and flexible materials, making them a good alternative in many cases. A renewable resource is a natural resource which will replenish to replace the portion depleted by usage and consumption. Recycling is the process of converting waste materials into new materials and objects. In both cases, the usability of these materials depend on its ability to reacquire the properties it had in its virgin or original state. New manufacturing processes, like 3D printing, are given new ways to reuse the materials when getting good alternatives in terms of comfort, durability or flexibility. Ethical manufacturing is a holistic approach to the manufacturing process that focuses on good health for all involved. It includes trying to use local produced materials in order to reduce the transportation CO2 footprint. Several examples on different components can be found on footwear industry.